Giveaway time!
Was indeed happy, now you're telling me it's over. Oh my, I wonder what's next, you know we're getting older. Oh my, when all we do is trying, it only makes us stronger. Oh my, dreams aren't meant to be broken. In tears when reading old letters. Oh my, something isn't right when looking back is better. Oh my, dreams aren't meant to be broken. You don't live twice. Roll the dice, roll the dice, roll the dice. You don't live twice. Roll the dice. I see the fire in your eyes. They used to take color from the skies. Do you remember? You don't live twice. Roll the dice, roll the dice, roll the dice. You don't live twice. Roll the dice. Let's take the high road home. Why don't you come along? I know that we can make it. We pack our things and leave tonight, and everything will be alright. We'll take the high road home, back where we belong. Morning
Right guys, there it is. I'll leave some pictures at the end of the video so you can have a look at it in a bit more details. I would like to thank Jake Thompson from Northside Custom Crafts. He was the one that gave me the blank, enabling me to make the egg. So thanks Jake. So if you'd like to win this little egg, all you have to do is be a subscriber, and secondly you got to leave a joke down in the comments, but please remember to keep it PG. This is a family channel, if you know what I mean. And between Jake and myself, we will pick out the funniest, and we'll say we'll give it a week until this video is released, until the winner is picked. And it is a worldwide competition, so anyone in the world can win it. Okay? Take it easy everybody, and good luck.